So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again, and today is an extremely good day, guys. We are smoking the Edu pack and drinking and sipping in the tears, the meltdowns. People go, oh, but he's done really well. Get out of here, he's crap. Don Edu has found shame. Don Edu has taken time off of sucking things, toes especially, and flipping kangaroo burgers and smoking cigars. F himself off to Nottingham Forest, apparently. Okay. So basically, what you're telling me is this guy has spunked 800 million quid of our money, and the money's run out. So now he's legging it. He's a shyster, as Matty would call him. Do smash the likes up. Speaking of Matty, me, Matty, Kenny, and Jez will be live at 4 p.m. UK time for the Real Talk podcast. And this is going to be we're going to go in depth. We're going to get their thoughts on it. I'm just giving my quick thoughts now. Do smash the likes up. That close to 105k as well. Bosh. Let's go, guys. Let's fucking go, guys. But anyway, we need to talk about this guy because he is a fraud. He is a shyster. Yeah, he's a con artist. One down, one to go. Arteta next. Maybe, just maybe, the reports of a power struggle are true. There's reports in the media. Again, I always take some of these reports with a pinch of salt because they're reporting, oh my God, there was a power struggle. There was a power struggle. Who had the power struggle? Was it Edu with Arteta or was it Arteta with Edu? Because I'm seeing reports out there suggesting that Arteta is going to be involved in who the next technical director is or sporting director, whatever you want to call him, whatever his funky title is, nicking a living. To be honest, right now, I don't really care who that is. I'm just happy that this fraud is out of the club. And long may it continue. We got rid of Vinay in the summer. He quit. Edu's quit. Maybe, just maybe, Arteta is the problem, guys, because maybe, just maybe, Arteta is the one that's running this club. He seems to be like the Teflon Don. He seems to be the guy that is constantly in control of everything. Yeah, maybe Edu wanted to buy some better players this summer. Maybe Arteta wanted Raheem Sterling. Maybe Arteta wanted Mikel Merino. Maybe Arteta wanted Norberto Neto. Yeah, maybe he wanted Calafiori. Maybe Edu didn't want these players. Yeah, but let's not forget the amount of money we have wasted under this guy is obscene. This guy got the job in July 2019. Nicolas Pepe signed for Arsenal in August. Was he involved in the deal? I'm not so sure. I think that was Ralstonelli. However, since he's been in this club, we have wasted so much money. Willian, Runnison, Matt Turner, Matt Ryan. Yeah, yes, some of these were free. Yeah, cool. We still had to pay him. Nun Tavares. Yeah, Fabio Vieira. Zinchenko. The Honduran striker that's posing as Brazilian. Jesus. Like, what are we doing here? Buying dross after dross after dross. Jorginho, 29. Yeah, they have had some hits. You could say Ben White's a hit. He ain't been as bad as I expected him to be, and he was poor at centre back. He's been good at right back. You could say Odegaard's been a hit if that's your thing. Me personally, that's the benchmark. Oh yeah, but that's harsh. No, it ain't. You're never going to be that benchmark, but in this era, I expect you to be that version. You're never going to hit that level because that level is different. Yeah, but he flatters to deceive. But a lot of people rate him. A lot of people like him. So cool, you can say that's a hit. Who else we got? David Raya. I'd say he's a very good goalkeeper. But let's not forget we spunked 27 million quid on Aaron Ramsdale, sold him for 18. Sambi Lokonga, another one. It's embarrassing. The amount of money we have wasted. Pablo Marie, Cedric Suarez. We have wasted so much money under this sporting director, technical director. And I'm starting to believe in my head that Arteta is running this club. I can't lie. They've given him the keys to one of the biggest clubs in Europe, the third biggest club in England. And Vinay's left. Now Edu's leaving. Now, apparently, Arteta is going to get a say in who's the next person to be in that role. Why? Surely that's down to the board to sort out. It'll probably be Per Mertesacker. You watch. It'll probably be somebody internally that we just give the job to. Probably Per Mertesacker or someone like that. One thing I will say, yeah, I want to know your thoughts on this as well, from outsiders looking in or from Arsenal fans, etc., etc. I think this is all part of a power struggle, and I do think that Arteta is the guy that's running everything. I think Josh and Stan have just let him do what he wants. And bear with me, I need to turn my potatoes down. They're overspilling the water. One sec. The cottage pie is cottaging. The cottage pie is cottaging, guys. But anyway, I do think this is Arteta that's running it, and I do think that if he doesn't win anything this season, which let's be real, is looking unlikely that he will win anything, maybe, just maybe, this is part of the plan to say, well, now we've got new hierarchy, we have to start again. We're back in phase one. Yeah, because this club is a shambles. It's an absolute disgrace. The fact that we've done 800 million quid under this manager and that sporting director, technical director, shyster, whatever you want to call him, serial waffler, yeah, it's embarrassing. And it's a damning indictment of them as people, yeah, in footballing sense, right? Not only that, let's not forget, yeah, that this technical director, shyster, whatever it is, yeah, let's not forget that he paid £2.6 million for Marquinhos, who was a free signing. So we could keep good relations. Good relations, guys. We're keeping good relations. We're keeping good relations, guys. Yeah. How many Brazilians we bought from that club ever since? Oh, yeah. 0. Oh, let's not forget Marquinhos is back in January as well. Cheers, guys. Going well, isn't it? Going well. Then what? We're going to loan him out again? We're going to rip his contract up? Let's not forget how many contracts we've ripped up under this guy. Aubameyang, Ozil, Socrates, Mustafi. Shall I continue? It's embarrassing. Absolutely embarrassing how much money this guy has wasted. Yeah, absolutely embarrassing. Let's not forget this is the guy that also sacked the scouts. The scouts. Yes, you heard right. The scouts. Maybe this is why our talent ID is dead. But maybe, just maybe, it is Arteta that's picking the players. So what's the point in having any scouts? Because if Arteta's picking the players, we don't need scouts, do we? Yeah, the whole club stinks from top to bottom. Yeah, and we're going to see more people leaving over the next year or so. Hopefully, the manager's one of them. But again, like I said, this is going to be dressed up as, well, now we've got a new technical director, a sporting director. We're back in phase one. Round and around and around we go. Yes, it's a great day. The guy's gone. Fantastic. Lovely. However, it also tells me that Arteta's in charge, which is kind of a bad thing because he ain't got a clue what he's doing. He's a rookie. 5 years deep, he's won one trophy. Got rid of the whole club, got rid of the whole team, got rid of all the staff, got rid of everyone. And here we are, guys. Here we are. So whilst it's great and I'm going to enjoy this day, yeah, let's not forget that Arteta is still the manager. The Cronkies are still the owners, and we're fucked. So whilst it's great that he's gone, and it's another one out of here, all this is doing is alarm bells are ringing for me that Arteta is actually fully in control and allowing somebody to have that much control and that much power at your football club as the manager of the football club is not a good look, guys. It's only going to end one way. And that one way, yeah, is us falling off a cliff. When it all falls off a cliff, he's going to have left us an almighty mess along with Edu. So whether you believe the stories about power struggle or not, I don't know. I personally think Arteta's in control of everything. Maybe you don't. Maybe you think it's Edu that was picking the players and Arteta's got the ump. I don't know. Yeah, maybe it's a bit of both. Maybe it's a bit of both. But the fact is, yeah, that they've sat there on this all for nothing crap, chatting absolute bollocks. You had the CEO at the time, Vinay, making Edu cups of tea. Like, what's that all about? The CEO is the CEO, bruv. Yeah, but he's left. Now Edu's leaving. This ain't a happy camp like it's dressed up to be. But we're a family. We're all pushing in the right direction, guys. Well, clearly not. Because it's not all good at Arsenal. Yeah, but the PR that comes out about this football club from the likes of David Ornstein, Charlie Boy Watts, James Benge, and all the other melts on the payroll, yeah, indirectly with their brown envelopes, Yeah, have dressed this up like we're the best run club in the world. We're amazing and everything's rosy in the garden. That's not the case. That is not the flipping case, mate. Trust me. Yeah, this club stinks from top to bottom. But it's another one out the club. And that's a good thing. Now we just need a few more out, including the manager, including 90% of this fan base and the ownership. We're getting there one by one. If you haven't checked out Matty's 3-hour stream yesterday, the Southern Gooner, go and check it out because maybe Edu woke up and saw that, watched it yesterday maybe, and decided to find shame. Apparently, he's going to go and work with Nottingham Forest, as far as I'm aware, as I'm recording this. Worst ways is working with that group. So yeah, basically what he's done is he's spunked 800 million quid of the club's money, and he's done a runner. As soon as somebody's dangled a bag in front of him, is what it is. Maybe they've said he can suck a few more toes over at Forest. Maybe there's a few people who want their toes sucking. I don't know. Is what it is. But anyway, good day today. Good day today. Make sure you tune in at 4 p.m. UK time for the Real Talk podcast. Myself, Matty, Kenny, and Jez. We're going to go into depth with this. We're going to get their thoughts and opinions and feelings on it. Me, I'm buzzing. I'm buzzing. I can't stand this bloke, and I haven't wanted him at this club since he got here. Yeah, he's made some half-decent signings. But yeah, the majority are misses, mate. Yeah, misses. Yeah, so miss me with all the praise for this guy. He is trash, bruv. Yeah, good luck, Nottingham Forest. Let's not forget the Brazilian guy. I can't remember his name. Yeah, when we signed Edu, said what? Edu's going to Arsenal. Good luck, Arsenal. Well, he's right, isn't he? 5 years later. Right. Anyway, smash the likes. Sub to the channel. Like I said, millimeters, about 100 odd, 120 away from 105k. So I want that boxed off by today if we can. But yeah, bless up to everyone. I'll be back again tonight as well. Fulham Brentford. Looking forward to that game on Lee Reacts. I love Lee Reacts tag in the title. So make sure you sub to that. Closing in on 34k on that channel. Big up to all you lot. Edu's gone. Arteta next. One down, one to go. Oh, sorry. Two to go. Cronky out.